Hello guys, it's me again. Good afternoon sa inyong lahat or good morning and good evening. Saan man dakong kayo naroroon, Pilipinas, saan man bansa, saan man dakong ng mundo kayo naroroon. I'm here now again sa pupunta ako ng shopping mall. We're looking for our attire, our dress code for that is a Westfield shopping mall for our event on this coming Saturday, August 26. And yeah, hopefully makapili kami, makakita kami ng aming yeah. Yeah, at the moment I'm waiting for my friend to go in Westfield. You know, that is a shopping mall, you can see Westfield. And I'm gonna wait for her in the tube station. So yeah. She's taking a bus, but I'm walking distance from the house to shopping mall, so I'm gonna wait for her. This is a Shepherd Bush station. Shepherd Bush station. I'm gonna wait for her. That is the underground. Busy. Is here now. She's here. She's say hello. Say hello.
Hello, is there?
No, it's not. It's just around. Yeah. Anong laman yan?
Ay, syempre, pinamalingki ko. Ganun talagang buhay. Piwag na. Wala na. Hindi na Louis Vuitton bit ko.
Abukot.
Pabayaan mo. Yan ay buhay.
Wala. Banjing lang. Shopping ko, no. No. Video. Para ma-i-upload ko lang. Kasi first time kong pumunta dito ng since YouTube. Kaya, itutur ko sila dito. Pag naka 10 minutes naman, iaano ko na ulit. Kasi mahirap nang Yan. Mga side. House and Fraser. Makita nyo. Tingnan mo ninyo yung mga plants dito. Oh. Bulaklak. Mga aisles of flower. Hindi ko alam na ito pala yung aisles of flower na yan. Ang ano niya. Can you imagine? One of this. Ito lang ha. Magkano? 700. Ilan lang ang piraso yun. And this is the Westfield. Yeah. Yan. Actually, under renovation pa rin dito kasi may ginagawa yata dito. Where's Inday Juliet? Okay, she's filming as well. Andito na kami. Iaano ko kayo sa gilid ng Westfield. This is that is a restaurant. And All this one in the side in my left. Kita eh, nagaganon eh. All the bars and cocktail, restaurant, salt yard, Six Seas. And this one is, I think it's Malaysian, Busaba. Bangkok. Bangkok. Yan. And meron din po kaming Filipino shop doon na hindi naman Filipino shop, yung not restaurant, yung may halo-halo, yun, ice cream, Filipino ice, ube, lahat. But here, Chopper Chimney, that is old restaurant. Wagamama, I'm sure mayroon sa ating Wagamama. And we're gonna go with the escalator. I don't know where's Inday Juliet. That is all restaurant over there. Inday, dito tayo para makita nilang maganda. Dito muna tayo dumaan, mamaya dun sa labas. And this one po, mga kaibigan, punta tayo. Sana all. Ganyan ako ka-sexy. Sana all. Ganyan ako ka-sexy. Oh. Ang sexy niya. Walang tummy. Summer po dito. Daling ko kayo dito. Dito po yung sa loob po nito lahat Prada. Pwede kayong Prada. Look. Ayan. Mamimili po kayo dito. Ito mamahalin lahat. Louis Vuitton. Kung may gusto, yan. Louis Vuitton. And Gucci. Yan. Ito, Tiffany & Co. Hindi pa po sila sale. Tapos na yata ang sale, Burberry. Ayun ang aking paboritong isa. Versace. Ayan, kitang-kita ng Versace. Tiffany. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. But it's not. And ipapakita ko lang kayo dito. Itutur ko kayo. At itutur ko rin kayo sa cheapest one. This one is, yan. And so about the Ferragamo. Mulberry. And in my right, Boss, Kate Spade, New York, Tid Baker, London, Paul Rapauren. That's it. Where are we going? In this side? Oh, you go straight first. And of course, Boss, Paul Rapauren. Pasyal ko muna kayo dito ha. Pasyal lang muna. Mamaya na ang shopping. Shopping. COS. And Lacoste. Beautiful. Race. Kaya nga. No. Tommy Hilfiger, Calvin Klein, John, and Bookie, Hackett, and Longines, and Alkeviness, London. Pag lahat niya yan, then that's Mark Spencer. Mark Spencer. Maybe. Which one? Oh, doon ang daming koping bukas. Ernest Jones. Yeah. Oh, 50% off ang Mark Spencer. Ganun. Echo. Are we going to H&M? First? Yeah, okay, walk around first. Echo. Shoes. Your boutique. Swarovski. Original yung kanyang bag na dala-dala. Browns, yan. And, okay guys, I'm gonna stop for a while here because I just show you, but I'm gonna continue a bit later. Kasi we pass by and then we're gonna look at in the shop which clothes are we going to wear. I mean, we're going to buy. We don't have any time. That is in the Juliet car. Look. Uy, what time is it? Makataya sa lottery. Oo, 7 pa naman ang sara. Makapunta na, baka mamaya akyat tayo dito? Okay guys, stop for a while and then I'll speak, I'm gonna video more inside of the mall. We're passing by just only a 1/4 of that, and not even 1/4, 1/8 of the mall. Just 1/8. Can you imagine how big this mall? Look. Welcome to MOA. The only thing is in here is no casino inside. In MOA, they have a big casino in there. The cinema. Yeah, and that's it. But we are still in half. Not in half, in 1/8 of the, yung naiano ko sa inyo. Hindi pa namin nalalahat. Wala pa sa first floor, hindi pa tapos. Nasa second floor kami kasi meron kaming anuhin. Bye! See you soon! Thank you for watching!